Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make stir-fry eggplants. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So you will need eggplant. I slice it a little bit thinner side. For the protein, the one that I choose is a pork belly. You can choose anything you like. If you want to be vegetarians, just skip the whole protein thing. I have 3 to 4 cloves of garlic crush, green pepper, and chili. If you don't like spicy food, you can completely skip the chili. Now, for the seasoning, you will need MSG, sugar, salt, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. So now, let's start cooking. Okay, now, in your pan, add a little bit of oil. Put it on a medium-low heat. You want to cook your pork for about 3 minutes on a medium-low heat. So the purpose you want to do it on a medium-low or a medium, you want to extract all the lard from the pork. So after it's done, now still on medium low, you want to add all the chili and the garlic. After a minute, you want to turn your heat to medium high, and then you want to add your eggplant. You want to cook this for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, you want to add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, a little bit of sugar, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, two tablespoons of light soy sauce, and then a little bit of dark soy sauce just for the coloring. Now we're gonna cook this for a minute. After a minute done, turn it off and we're ready to serve. So there you go guys, the stir-fry eggplant is ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.